Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Wise to your US bank account in 2025. Whether you're an expat sending money home, a freelancer getting paid, or just managing international finances, this guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic tool for low-fee transfers, and with the updates in 2025, it's even more efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Wise account set up. If you don't, head to the Wise website or app and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you'll select the currency you're sending from and the amount. For US bank transfers, choose USD as the destination currency. Next, add your recipient's details. This is crucial. Enter the US bank's routing number and account number accurately. Wise will guide you through this, and they often have options to link directly if your bank is supported. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Now, review the exchange rate and any fees. In 2025, Wise continues to offer competitive rates, but always compare to ensure you're getting the best deal. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm to proceed. You'll be prompted to verify your identity if it's your first transfer, which might involve a quick email or app confirmation. After that, the money is on its way. Transfers to US banks typically take 1 to 2 business days, but keep an eye on your email for updates. A few tips to make this smoother. Always use the latest Wise app for 2025 features, like enhanced security and faster processing. If you run into issues, check Wise's help center or contact support. They're usually responsive. And remember, verify your US bank account balance after the transfer to ensure everything landed correctly. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from Wise to your US bank is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.